It's me, Joseph here, and I'm gonna teach you 5 steps to dance. The first rule is to hop your feet like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? You record that? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Now for the second rule. The second rule is when you're done like that, move your hand like this. Eyes like that. Step 3. Now you got the dance. Like after you're doing like that, now do like that, and now you can now flip back, and flip back. Rule number 4. Number 4 is a little bit when you do like that, and you're done now. If you're done doing that, if you're doing like that, just face like this. After you're done, you just do the whip, and just do whip, and just do the take it down. It's like punch down, okay? And that is 5 steps is to dance. Guys,
Wait.
please bye-bye, and
No.
thank you everyone. Bye.
Huh?
Pag mag-video.
Okay. Wala pang
5 steps.
Okay.
Mag-video ba?
Okay.
Tuloy na ako.
Sa pag-start.